Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to do this lovely dangle pearl earring. And these are the material you will need for each earring. I'm using 8 inches of wire, and with my humongous needle, I will create a tiny little loop, which will be used to connect the dangle pearl. Next, I will use this zombie-looking paintbrush to help me create a loop for one of the 3 Navet crystals. Then I use this flathead tool to flat out all the loops. And I also use this needle to elongate this loop. All of this just to make sure that the crystal will be able to sit on securely. So let's test it out. I think it's pretty good. Next, I will need to decide where to start the other 2 loops. So I'll use my crystal again just to see the position of the crystal, and this will help me figure that out. Then I going back and using my zombie looking paintbrush again to create the second loop for one of the Navet crystal. So just like making the first loop for the Navet crystals, I will use a needle to elongate this loop also, and then the flathead tool to even it out. And of course, I will test to make sure that it's actually work. You can see the crystal sits securely on the loop. That's what we really want. Then I repeat that same step one more time to create the final loop for the Navet crystal. And here it is. And here I will make the final loop, which will help connect to the earring hook. Then I'll use this flathead tool one more time to even out all the loops. Get them ready for the next step, applying the glue. I would use this E6000 glue to help me applying the crystals. While using this glue, try not to contact it directly with your skin or breathe in any vapor. And that's it. Isn't it adorable? Now all we have to do is wait. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes to dry. In the meantime, we can start working on the dangle pearl portion. Then I will connect the pearl to the first loop that we made earlier. And of course, secure the connection by completely closing the hook from the pearl. You can see that the finding is really loose and it's running all over the place. It's driving me nuts. So I will definitely need to put some glue between the finding and the pearl just to keep it in place. And finally, I will connect everything to this earring hook. And of course, secure the connection by completely close the hook. And we made it. Isn't it so cute? I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a try. And I'll see you next time. Have a great Valentine's Day. Bye!